Welcome, today I'm showing how to customize your quick launch into Xiaomi 13 Lite. First of all, open your settings. Next one, find additional settings option here. Now go into gesture shortcuts option, and here we got all our quick launch option. First of all, it's launch Google Assistant. Press and hold the power key for a half second. Activate this option, for example. Next one, take a screenshot. Slide 3 fingers down, volume down, and power key option. Now partial screenshot. Press and hold with 3 fingers. And then launch camera option. Double press the power key, double press the volume down when the screen is locked. Go back. Now go into turn on touch. Here we got the same option, double press the power key, like in launch camera option. So activate this option, and here we got message. Double press the power key is used for launch camera. Replaced or not? If we tap replace, we activate launch camera option. If we tap cancel, if we tap replace, we activate turn on touch, and if we tap cancel, we activate launch camera option. I wanna activate launch camera option, so tap cancel, and how you can see, turn on touch is disabled. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.